Hey everyone, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This is the Pride Jazzy Carbon HD. It's one of the most popular folding electric wheelchairs on the market right now. And the reason it's so popular is that it can support 400 pounds of weight. And when you remove the battery, it actually gets down to around 33 pounds. And in fact, Pride Mobility has a really hard time keeping this in stock. So if you're I know a lot of people are interested in this chair. So if you're very interested in it, I suggest if it is out of stock, it will be back in stock. They're just having a hard time keeping it in stock. So you need to purchase it if you're serious about buying one so you can reserve one. I just suggest that if you're serious about it. But there's a couple new changes to this chair that have been made, and I want to just show that in this video. So this is not really more of a, I'm not going to go over a lot of the features, but I'll just show you some of the new changes. One of them is this joystick bracket is now made of steel. So it's a lot stronger. Before it was made of carbon fiber, and I think the reason why is people were putting their weight on this and this would snap and it would break. So this has been changed. Other thing is the front suspension is now more durable, so it's like a stronger front spring suspension. And you'll also notice on the front wheels, there's these little front safety kind of like anti-tip wheels, but they're really what they're used for is to help when you're going over a threshold that sits up higher. Now these front wheels sit up about another 1.5 inches. So if you're going up a threshold, like maybe from a road to a sidewalk, you have that little lip. This will allow you to transition onto that a lot more smoothly. Otherwise, if it didn't have this, it would be almost impossible to get up. So I know Pride Mobility has a research and development team. They're always making changes to their products. But I will go over a couple simple little features about this chair. It has a 20-inch wide seat, and between the armrests, it actually gets to 22 inches. The battery that it comes with is stored right here. Easy to access, but the standard battery that it comes with gets about a 12-mile battery range. It is not airline approved. If you wanted an airline approved battery, you can purchase one in addition. It's only about a 6-mile battery range. And I'll show you how to fold it real quick. So there's a little latch on the back. This is just another feature I think that makes it unique. So you just loosen this latch and now you can fold it up. But when you do that, it locks into place right here. So this is unique once you fold it. So now it can't unfold unless you loosen this latch. Also on top of that, this is where the battery is. And once you fold it, it's easy to access. You can just press this and it comes right out and charge it on the battery or the joystick. A lot of times when you put the battery on here, a lot of these chairs, you have to line it up on the track. So when you're taking it off or on, it's best to fold it up and have it sit upright so you can access it to put it back on or remove it. Now, if I remove this latch, now you can see easy to unfold. And one other new thing about the chair is the joystick. Really nice, sleek digital joystick. You got your horn, speed control, even has a headlight, which is really cool. And on top of that, if I flip up the armrest, there is now a USB-C charging port, so you can charge your cell phone on here. So this is just a few features. We've done more in-depth videos about this chair, but really great, it's popular, people love this chair. These are a few of the new changes for the Pride Jazzy Carbon HD. Thanks for watching, you guys have a great day.